Now, I would also like to show you the different ways that we can do indexing but with single value using @ and iat. Just like we've seen with the .log and the .ilog method, the @ and the .iat works in the same way. Remember that this @ and iat helps us to access just a single value for a row and column pair. The @ is very similar to the log where we use label indexing, while the .iat we use the integer indexing. For example, using the .at method, I want to return the value of the first row for this particular column. That is what I've done here. So 1 here gives me the first row and the value of the first row for this status column. For iat, we are using strictly the integer, the location of that particular column. And here I have changed things a bit by just saying I want the third row for the 9th column. And the 9th column here is basically the year ID.
Hello there. If you have enjoyed this course so far, kindly support me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe will also help you know when newer courses are released. Thank you for subscribing. I do hope you have. Let's carry on with the course.
Just like we have in SQL, we also have a way to filter by using the keyword where. Here I am filtering the data frame by sales that are greater than 2000. That is essentially what I've done here. And if we run this, we would see that that is essentially what is returned. For every row, we would see that the sales is greater than 2000. However, it has returned all the columns back to me. I want you to think for a while and see if you can figure out how you can actually extract just the sales column instead of returning all the columns where the values of the sales is greater than 2000. I want you to take a pause because I'm going to show you in the next slide. So take a pause and try to do this on your own. All right, so this is how you do it. You don't have to assign it to a variable, but it's because I want to show you the value. That's why I'm doing that. And also to show you that you can always assign the value of any data transformation that you're doing or data filtering that you're doing to a variable. And the variable would become a new data frame. Here I show you how you can select by a particular column and use the where function on that column with the criteria for that particular column. And that's what we have basically done here. Lastly, I want to show you the query method where you can just do a df.query and pass into this bracket the value of the column and the condition that the rows of the column should meet. And you will see here that we are getting the same results that we have, used with where and query. This just shows us how versatile Pandas is. And I can assure you that there is no course that would cover all of the functions that we can use with Pandas. However, this would give you the understanding and the basics that you need to thrive with any kind of dataset and apply different Pandas functions on those datasets. Given this, I want you to take a look at this task and do this, and I'll see you in the next topic, which is sorting with Pandas.
Hello there. If you have enjoyed this course so far, kindly support me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe will also help you know when newer courses are released. Thank you for subscribing. I do hope you have. Let's carry on with the course.